Hi, my name is Arpana Shetty and I'm a board-certified behavior analyst with Neuropedia Children's Neuroscience Center. I'm super excited today to tell you about the program that I've been involved with. This program is the Unity program, and Neuropedia Center and GEMS Metropole School have come together to create this very unique opportunity for your children. The Unity program allows for the school to come in with the adaptive curriculum pathway, along with the therapeutic teams to come in with applied behavior analysis, speech and language therapy, and occupational therapy. So the educational aspect and all the different therapies can come together, and they're provided to the children in an inclusive environment of a classroom within the mainstream school. So the environment that is provided by the Unity program allows your child's needs to be met. The Neuropedia team and the GEMS Metropole School team have worked very hard to make sure that the children are in a very inclusive environment and all of their needs are met all under one roof. If you want to know more about the Unity program, please do get in touch with the Neuropedia Children's Neuroscience Center, or you can always go to GEMS Metropole School and find out more about us.